Hey, what is going on, everyone? It's Blade here, and I saw this weird math challenge on the internet, and I decided I have to try it. So I tried it, and I got a few different answers. I'm going to show you the proper way to actually get this answer. So let's go over here. As you see in this problem, you have 3 beer bottles equals 30. You have a beer bottle, a hamburger, and a hamburger equals 20. You have a hamburger, 2 pints of beer plus 2 pints of beer equals 9. And then you have the actual problem, a burger plus a pint of beer plus a bottle of beer. So I want you guys to pause the video right here. You'll see the actual question on the screen, and pause it, try to figure it out, put your answer in the comments, and let's see if you can get the right answer. Okay, so now that you've put your answer, I'm going to show you probably the way that you got it, and probably some different ways too. So, okay, as you guys see on the screen, we're going to start top to bottom and go down, because I'm pretty sure that's how you guys do it. So as you see, which is 3 beer bottles, which is 10 plus 10 plus 10, which equals 30. So we know that 1 beer bottle equals 10. Next, we have a beer bottle, which is 10 plus 2 numbers that we don't know yet, which equals 20. So we figured this out by doing 2 5s, which equals another 10, which equals 20. 10 plus 10, or 10 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. Next, we have a burger, which we know is 5, plus 2 pints of beer, plus 2 pints of beer equals 9. Now, you're wondering how I got 2. Well, that's pretty simple. As you see in the picture, that there's 2 pints of beer, 2 mugs of beer, however you want to put that. And you know that by taking 5 subtracted by 9, which equals 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you know 2 plus 2 equals 4, and you can put that in there. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And now we have the actual problem right here, which is a burger plus a pint of beer times a bottle of beer. Now, this is where people get 70. I'm telling you right here. People, if you look at the actual picture, you see when you get 9, you see 2 pints of beer. And people memorize that there's 2. So when they automatically see this one, they think it's 2. Which gives them 7 times 10, which equals 70. So that is the wrong answer. Don't do that. Next one is to actually see 1 beer times 10. And here's where they get 60, which is 5 plus 1 times 10. 60. That's wrong as well. This is how you properly get this, by using the 8th grade term PEMDAS. Oops. Alright, so we use this 8th grade PEMDAS for math, which are the rules of math. Since I'm in 8th grade, luckily I know how to use PEMDAS properly, so it's pretty easy. P for we got parentheses, E for exponents, oops, I messed up that, but E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for divide, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So, as we see here, these you must follow by these rules here. If you go out of order, then it's not going to work. So we have to go top to bottom, left to right. So as you see, we got parentheses. In this thing here, we have no parentheses. We don't have any exponents in this, but we do have multiplication, and we do have addition. So which one comes first, multiplication or addition? You said addition, you are wrong about that. It is actually multiplication because it's on the left side of the equation. So, now that we know multiplication and addition, we're going to rewrite this problem. So we got 5 plus 1 times 10 equals something. Now, this is what I did. First I got 70, and then I got 60, and then I got this number. Knowing PEMDAS, you have to do multiplication first since it was on the left side of the equation. So you have to go 10 times 1, or 1 times 10, which equals 10. And then you got 5, which is right here. And then you have 5 plus 10, which equals 15. So that is my guess of the answer, which is 15. And here's also another way you can get 15 if you're a total math crazy person. If you use the totally correct rules, it would go 5 plus 1 times 10. And I also thought of this too, is actually switching these numbers around, or these terms. So you'd go 5 times 1, 5, and then plus 10, which is still 15. And that is how I think we can get this math challenge completed. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Okay, so now that you have that answered, I have a question for you guys. Okay, if you have an electric train going 100 miles per hour north, and you have wind blowing 100 miles per hour east, which way is the smoke blowing? Put it down in the comments below, and in the next video, I'll show you the answer.